Okay, so for these questions, these are the ones where we break up ions in solution. I'll show you where that goes. We've got problem 24, 25, 26, and 27. And you can see they're all pretty much the same thing. I'm going to do both of these. I'm going to do this one here, CR3PO42. I'll also do CRF2 as well, and to show you how to format the answer as well for those kinds of problems. So this is effectively 24 through 27 that we're looking at here. Okay, so going back to the example that we have here, we've got CR3PO42. And what you should probably do with this, and this is how I would definitely handle it, is I would draw out a picture. So CR3PO42 would look like 3 CRs and then 2 PO4s like that. So that would be with the charges 3 minus, 3 minus, and you can see here I actually do give you the charges down here, so you don't even have to go look them up. So it'd be 3 minus and 3 minus. That's negative 6 over here. That means that has to be positive 6 for the chromiums to match, which means each of those has to be 2 plus. So my final answer would be 3 CR2 plus 2 PO4 3 minus. Now when you format that, it's going to look like this: 3 CR2 plus 2 PO4 3 minus is how it would look. That's in that box that you're going to put the answer into. Now if we're doing, we'll do another example here. Let me get rid of what's on the screen here. And we'll do another example. This would be CRF2. So that would be, if the example was that, CRF2. That would be CR, F, and F. That's negative, that's negative. So that's negative 2, which makes this plus 2, which means the chromium has to be plus 2 as well. So when we write it out, it'll be CR2 plus 2F minus. And if we were formatting it for the answer box, we don't show the superscripts and subscripts, so it would just be CR2 plus 2F minus is how that would go in the box. I'll do one more, because sometimes this is tricky. Let's say it was something more like this. Let's say it was CuCO3. Now in contrast to this example, you can see that this one has 2 PO4s on it, and we know that because there's a parenthesis there with 2 on the outside. Here there's no parentheses, so what that tells us is it's Cu and then 1 CO3 grouping. We know that CO3 has a negative 2, that means the copper has to be plus 2, and then we can do our answer, which would be Cu2 plus CO3 2 minus, and then formatting would look like this: Cu2 plus CO3 2 minus.